If you want a working Hostinger coupon code, this quick Hostinger review will help you get the best deal. Hostinger has discounts on all plans right now, and when you use my link in the description or scan the QR code, you'll also unlock an extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months added to your plan. In this Hostinger review, what makes it popular is the balance of speed and simplicity. You get fast servers, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light speed performance, and the Hostinger website builder to create your site easily. If pricing isn't in your currency, click the flag icon in the top right corner and select your country. Because of its features and ease of use, Hostinger is often seen as one of the best web hosting platforms, and every plan includes a 30-day money-back guarantee. So to use the Hostinger coupon code, get the extra 20% off and 3 extra months. Tap the link below or scan the QR code.